Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Welcome to today's practical. Today we are going to be testing for reducing sugar, and glucose have been known as a reducing sugar, followed by maltose, galactose, fructose, but sucrose is not a reducing sugar. So before us, we are going to use a Benedict solution to test for this reducing sugar. In the absence of this, you can also use Felling solution. Then we have our glucose, then we have our sucrose here. Then in the petri dish, we have some quantity of sucrose here and that of glucose in this one, and we will put a little of these sugars in the test tube. Pick up your test tube as I'm picking mine, and we put a little of this, introduce a little of this in each of these test tube, and introduce in it a little quantity of Benedict solution and introduce the direct heat on it and see if there will be a color change. Now in my test tube, I'm going to put some quantity of glucose inside it. We are not putting the same thing in each test tube, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in yours, put sucrose in your test tube. Okay, can do that. And put glucose in yours. What are you putting?
Glucose.
Okay. Okay. And put sucrose in yours. Okay, now this is Benedict solution. We introduce a little quantity in it. Put yours. Okay. Now Benedict solution is green, is blue in color. Sorry, is blue in color. Now under heat and in sugar and sucrose is going to change color. Let's see. After few minutes, use your test tube holder to hold your test tube. Are you doing that? Have you done that? Okay. First, we are going to use, who is with sucrose in Benedict solution? You are with sucrose in Benedict solution.
Yes.
I'm with glucose in Benedict solution. Let's introduce in heat and watch what happens. Now, observe what is going on. Come closer. Observe what is going on. You will see that in test tube that I'm holding, which is glucose in Benedict solution, there is color is changing in the test tube, and it changes from blue to green. When you keep heating, it will change from green to yellow. Can you see it?
Yes.
Now from yellow, it is also changing to orange. Are you observing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now when you watch the test tube that has sucrose in Benedict solution, you see nothing is happening there.
Yes.
Are you seeing nothing is happening there? Yes. That is to tell you that sucrose is not a reducing sugar. You cannot reduce copper 2 ions to copper 1 ions. Now from orange in my test tube, as I keep heating, it's turning to brick red. It's turning to what?
Brick red.
Okay. Is there any change in this one?
No.
Okay. So that is to prove to you that to test for reducing sugar, you use Benedict solution. It gives you an awesome result. You use Benedict solution or you use Felling's solution to test for reducing sugar. And on heating, a reducing sugar will change the color of Benedict solution, which is blue to what? Green, from green to yellow, from yellow to orange, and orange to brick red. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.